right now on Fox 35 News at 10.
We have a consumer alert for every homeowner out there. How would you like a break on your property taxes? Over the next few weeks, the Property Appraiser's Office will mail you your Truth in Millage or TRIM notice. That notice will give you your estimated property tax. Property owners will have just 25 days to review the valuation and choose to challenge the assessment or market value on the property. Let's break this down with Brendan Lynch. He's a property tax partner at the Lowndes law firm. Brendan, thanks for coming in. This is something that a lot of people are going to be dealing with and fairly soon. Tell us first and foremost where we're going to find this TRIM number on the mail we'll be getting.
Well, the TRIM number is really your assessed value, and you're going to look, it's going to be all over your TRIM notice, your Truth in Millage notice when it comes to you. But in the middle of that first page, there's going to be a place value for your market value and your assessed value. Those are the two numbers you're paying attention to when you're determining what your taxes are for this year.
And how do we know, I mean, obviously it's not a completely objective process, but how do we know if our evaluation is correct, if it feels right?
Well, and it really is if it feels right. I mean, people know their properties better than anybody else, better than the property appraiser does even. So you're going to go with a gut feeling. If your assessment feels high, do a little due diligence, check out what comparable sales might be in the neighborhood or in the area, and figure out if you think it's too high for that year. If it is, then you can start evaluating whether or not you want to challenge the assessed value for that year. But it really is a gut feeling.
And walk us through how we would dispute this, Brendan, if we decide, in fact, to go through with that process.
Well, it's a very convenient process for individuals. You have 25 days from the date you get from the mailing of the TRIM notice. So really, you have to pay attention when this TRIM notice comes out. It's a $15 filing fee for a value adjustment board petition, and that process gets you in front of a appraiser who is an independent appraiser, where you present your evidence as to why your assessment should be lower for that year.
Okay, Brendan Lynch, property tax partner with the Lowndes law firm. We appreciate you coming in tonight. Thanks.
Thanks, Sonny.